Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy, and my kitchen is crowded today. I have my three boys with me, my three grandsons in the kitchen cooking with me today, so this might be very entertaining. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. I've never had all three of them at the same time, so this is going to be lots of fun. Okay, you guys want to tell everybody what we're making today? You remember? Tater Totchos. Tater Totchos. It is a combination between tater tots and nachos. We kind of smash them together and we get Tater Totchos, and that is what we are making. It's going to be oh so good, and we are excited. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's go. All right, so we have a bag of tater tots. And I'm going to let the boys tell you guys the rest of the ingredients because we did practice this. We went over the ingredients. You guys remember what's this?
Bacon.
Bacon and?
Cheese.
Cheese. And what's this? You remember?
Green onions.
Green onion. And then we have?
Sour cream.
Sour cream. And we're going to add some dry ranch mix to that sour cream. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, and we're going to take turns. Guys, today is going to be like a kids Unfiltered in the kitchen segment, episode, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be interesting. I'm just saying. All right, so we're going to spray a sheet tray with some nonstick spray. So yes, you can spray, but we're going to take turns. Okay, let me show you. You got to try to go quick and make a lot. Okay, so okay, good. All right, that's good. All right, Noah, you want to do it?
Yeah.
All right, you do it. Okay, all right, Mason. All right, did I just spray you? All right, that's fine. Okay, all right, so, okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take these tater tots and we're going to line this sheet tray with them, okay? So everybody grab some tater tots, and we did wash our hands, I promise everybody. All right, let's be careful. And we're going to line them up. Not throw them on there, but just kind of try to line them up, okay? Like little soldiers. I just dropped one. All right, don't. Put them on the sheet tray.
He liked that. He liked that.
It's okay, it'll cook.
Tater.
Yeah, here. Told you guys, this is going to be interesting. I don't know what I was thinking of trying to line them up. All right, we get them all. We got them all. All right, we have one whole bag. Wait.
It's crumbs everywhere.
Okay, we'll get that cleaned up here in just a second. All right, so I'm going to pop this in a 400-degree oven for, let me read the instructions as they eat the crumbs. Ooh, it actually says 450 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm going to turn that oven up higher. I'm going to let you do the bacon, but just hold on a second. And Mason and Noah, you guys are going to do my green onion. But let me show you what you're going to do first. You're going to have some scissors, and you're going to have some scissors. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take and you're going to cut just like this the green onion. Can you do that?
Yeah.
All right, you cut the green and cut it onto the plate. Cut it onto the plate. Okay, Owen, what I need you to do, this is a very sharp knife, so you need to be very careful. You hold it in your hand, and I'll help you. We're going to cut this bacon. Very good.
Cut this too.
Yeah, cut it onto the plate. Very good. So what you need to do is you're going to kind of want to take this and rock the knife down, like this part. Here, put your hand on here, and I'll show you. Watch your fingers. There you go. So the bacon's done. I'm going to put the bacon back here. All right, how are we doing on the green onions? I'm going to combine. I'm getting ready to pull the tater tots out, and I'm going to put them right here. But it's going to be very hot. So everyone stand up straight. Keep your arms out of the way. I don't want anybody to get burned. Everyone, yes, it's very, very hot. Everyone watch their hands. Watch their hands. No one touch this. It's very, very hot. No. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab some cheese and carefully sprinkle the cheese just over the tater tots. Yes, but be very careful. Grab some cheese You can get more than that.
A handful?
And sprinkle over the tater tots. Okay, now grab some cheese, but be very careful. Don't touch the pan because it's very hot. Noah.
That hurt.
Yeah, don't touch the pan. It's too hot.
That really freaked me out.
Did it?
Yeah.
Listen, we're going to sprinkle some bacon. So take a little bit of bacon, sprinkle the bacon.
Yay, Tater Totchos!
Make sure the bacon's all over. Okay. I am putting these back in the oven just to melt this cheese, which are about melted right now. But I'm just going to pop this back in the oven for maybe 5 minutes. What we're going to do is I'm going to, everyone paying attention here? I'm going to add this, actually, Mason, I'm going to let you pour in some of this.
All of it?
Just dump all that in there. Dump it all in. Okay, it's 1 cup of sour cream with 1 ounce package of the dry salad dressing. Okay, Noah, stir that very carefully, good job. Slowly, slowly.
You can do faster than me.
Well, I don't want you to make all the powder come out.
I do.
He's doing good. He's doing real good. Now, what I want you to do is I'm going to take a Ziploc bag and I'm going to fold this Ziploc bag down, and we are going to put that sour cream ranch mixture into that bag.
Don't slurp it up.
Yep. Get a big spoonful of it.
A lot full of poop.
All right.
Tastes good.
Take your finger and take a lick. See what you think.
Tasty.
Is it good? All right. I am going to zip this up. I'm going to cut a hole in the corner of this bag. And we're going to squirt this over top of our tachos, okay? Yes, you can. Just in a second. Check those out. Okay, everybody watch out now because they're really, really hot. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to take this bag of sour cream mixture and we are going to squeeze it over the tater tots like this. Don't watch out. Oh, I don't want you to kind of just squeeze it over top.
Can I do it?
Squeeze a little bit. All right. Okay, good job. Squeeze a little bit. Watch your arm.
Pop.
Okay. All right, Noah. Here, Noah, let me scoot it closer to you a little bit.
Pop.
All right.
That's pop. Hey, I know I squeezed a lot.
Woohoo! Oh, wow. Okay. All right, so now the last thing we're going to do, guys, is we are going to take our green onion and we're going to sprinkle the green onion over top.
And eat
So
one.
get a little bit of green onion, just sprinkle it over. I mean, these look so good. Don't you guys think these look good? Don't eat them, Noah. Sprinkle it over so all of them get some. This, like I said, this is Kids in the Kitchen Unfiltered today. All right, let's give everybody gets a fork.
Hey, this is my favorite time of the whole week.
It is. Okay, so I'm going to put some of these on your plate, okay? And you guys can eat.
Are those hot still?
Yeah, they're still warm. Ooh, look at the cheese. Okay.
So crispy. Mason doesn't have any onions.
Yeah, he does. Look at that, no, Owen.
I want some.
I'm getting yours some. What do you guys think?
They're good. Yummy. They're actually really good.
You like them?
I think we did a good job. Where's food?
We did a good job. All right, well, let's tell everybody thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
I hope that you enjoyed our crazy kitchen today. Watching us make these tater totchos. So good. And they are kid tested and approved, I think. Cheesy, bacon, delicious tater tots. But I will see you all soon. I'll see you soon with more recipes.